Whoever does the best trick on this $1 scooter wins some money. You go first. Whoa.
It's a frozen scooter.
There you go. You're up next. Boom.
Thank you.
And now you, boy.
I'm gonna die. Back.
That gives you 1 penny.
Oh!
Whoa. Here's £5.
I got it.
I wish you luck. Oh no! Uh-oh. Go, boy. Oh. Are you alright? Oh my day. Instead of a $1 scooter, let's get a $10 one. Here you go, sir. Don't break your neck. There you go.
Is that it?
Yep. No way. Oh my god!
Thanks, buddy.
Can I try that?
Go for it. Oh my gosh. Wait, are you alright, mate? Here you go.
Huh?